Hello my dear beautiful friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Crafty Cuties. So today we are going to make these beautiful pearl earrings. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up. And as you know, that I'm really trying to grow out my YouTube family on this platform. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like this. And now let's get started. So the material required is 28 gauge wire. We also need 30 gauge wire. Then 5 mm pearl beads. These are 0 size pearl beads. Jump ring. A golden chain. Cutter, plier, earring dangle, and I'm taking this bottle as an instrument to make a circle. So first of all I'm taking this 28 gauge wire and we will measure it. So we need approx this much wire. So here we will make a fold. And we are going to keep some part and we'll cut this one. Now we are going to add beads here, which are these 30, which are these 5 mm and 0 size beads. So what we will do is we'll take this 30 gauge wire and to this end we can make this straight for a while. To one end we will wrap it here. Okay, and what we'll do is we will insert 7 small size beads first, because 7 beads are enough to cover this pearl bead. Okay, so I have added 7 here. Now I'm going to add this big pearl bead in this 28 gauge wire, and we will bring them together like this, and to this end of this 5 mm pearl bead we will make a wrap here. So I'll show you once again. So we are going to insert 7 small pearl beads first. And now we will insert this bigger 5 mm pearl bead in this 28 gauge wire, and here this side we are going to make a wrap. So likewise we are going to add 9 pearl beads, because it is 9 pearl beads are enough to form the loop. So I'll quickly do that and come back to you. Okay, so I have added these 9 beads. Now we are going to add this chain here. So I have already cut this in as per my size. These are approx 30 loops, you can say. I'm adding this to in this jump 30 gauge wire, and we'll wrap it to this 28 gauge wire, so that it will be easy for us to wrap this earring later. Now I'm again taking this bottle and will measure it, or it's okay if you don't measure it, because we already know that this one is enough. And now we will wrap it here. We'll wrap this into the initial end. Wrap it very firmly. I'm taking the help of this help of this plier for wrapping it firmly. Okay, and now I will take this earring dangle. I will insert it here in this, and also I'll wrap this here. So with this, our quick earrings are ready. Don't you think these are looking very elegant, classy? And these are our second earrings. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.